Hello, friends, and my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm very sure that you have enjoyed your holy festival and you might have enjoyed the different food items. आप लोगों ने अच्छे अच्छे पकवान तो ज़रूर खाए होंगे और अपनी होली रंगों का त्यौहार बहुत अच्छे से मनाया होगा. सो आज हम इंग्लिश के कुछ शब्दों को वेयर एंड व्हेन जानेंगे और इसकी हिंदी मीनिंग जो अर्थ जो इसका हुआ कहाँ और कब. वी जनरली यूज़ दिस टू वर्ड्स दैट इज़ वेयर एंड व्हेन. सो I thought that I must give you this lesson for today, that is use of where and when. Where do we use this? Very normally, very generally, we ask lot of questions to our friends, our colleagues, our companions, our peer group, our teachers. So we use these two words oftenly. So let us learn few sentences related to this two words. So first we will learn where is your mother. Most of you ask where is my mom. You used to ask your sister where is my mom, where is my mother. Okay, where is my mother. Or if I am asking where is your mother, where is your mom walking. Okay, so you may answer my mother is walking in the school, or my mom is in the school, or my mom is in the kitchen, my mom went market, my mom is cleaning house, or my mom is eating food. So all this kind of simple sentences you may use in your daily life. Next question, and you try to write your own sentences, okay, as you speak. Where is your maths book? Where is your maths book? आपकी गणित की पुस्तिका कहाँ है? And let me write in Hindi also this. Where is your mother? Where is your mom? Where is your mother? So आपकी हिंदी में कुछ त्रुटियां हो सकती हैं, आप उसको ज़रा नज़रअंदाज करेंगे. आपकी माता जी कहाँ है? मेरी माँ और माता जी विद्यालय में हैं, स्कूल में हैं, विद्यालय में हैं. वेयर इज़ योर मैथ्स बुक? आपकी गणित की पुस्तिका कहाँ है? आपकी गणित की पुस्तिका कहाँ है? कहाँ रखा है आपने? ओके, कहाँ है? So your answer? My maths book is in my school bag. So मेरी गणित की जो पुस्तिका है वो मेरी स्कूल के बैग में है. ओके, स्कूल बैग में है. Now we will use another important word, that is when. Where is your pen? Where is your water bottle? Very simple sentences you can make by using this word, that is where. Okay, where is my oil? Where is my soap? Okay, where is my tiffin? Where is my bottle? So all such kind of words you may use. All right. Next, we will make a very simple sentence for the new word, that is when. When do you get up? When do you get up? आप कब जगते हैं? ओके, आप उठते कब हैं? सुबह में जो उठने का समय है, when do you get up? I get up at get up at 6 o I get up at 6 o'clock. मैं 6 बजे उठता हूँ या उठती हूँ. मैं 6 बजे उठती हूँ. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. You may add few more words in the morning. मैं सुबह के 6 बजे उठती हूँ. ओके. When do you have your lunch? आप अपना लंच कब करेंगे? So we will have our lunch at 12 o'clock. हम अपना लंच 12 बजे करेंगे. All right. So these all the simple sentences you may use in your day-to-day life. This is spoken English. You may enhance your spoken English. Okay. So like that. So you forget about the grammatical mistake. You first of all you try to speak and use this all the words. Okay.